Welcome to my channel. The 2025 Kia Seltos is a subcompact SUV that offers a blend of style, performance, and modern features. It is available in 5 trims: LX, S, X, X-Line, and SX, with prices ranging from $25,965 to $32,465, including destination charges. Under the hood, the Seltos offers 2 engine options. The standard 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine produces 146 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission (CVT). This engine comes with front-wheel drive on the S and X trims, while all-wheel drive is standard on the LX trim and optional on the S and X trims. For those seeking more power, the turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine delivers 195 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This turbocharged engine is standard on the X-Line and SX trims, both of which come with all-wheel drive. In terms of fuel efficiency, the 2.0-liter engine with front-wheel drive achieves up to 31 mpg combined, 28 mpg city and 34 mpg highway, while the all-wheel drive version gets up to 29 mpg combined. The turbocharged 1.6-liter engine offers up to 25 mpg combined, 24 mpg city and 27 mpg highway. The 2025 Seltos features a modern interior with improved materials and finishes. Standard technology includes an 8-inch touchscreen, a 4.2-inch instrument cluster display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and multiple USB-C ports. Higher trims offer a 10.25-inch touchscreen, navigation, a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, a wireless charging pad, and a BOSE 8-speaker audio system. Safety is a priority in the Seltos, with standard features such as forward collision warning, pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, automatic high beam assist, a driver attention monitor, and rear occupant alert. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, safe exit warning, rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, and Kia's highway driving assist system. Recent updates to the Seltos include the addition of a smart power liftgate and parking distance warning reverse on the XAWD and SX trims. The X trim also offers a new sunroof package, and the S trim features new 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels and an upgraded driver's window with auto up and down functionality. Overall, the 2025 Kia Seltos provides a versatile and well-equipped option in the subcompact SUV segment, catering to a variety of driver preferences and needs.